Oh my goodness! Are you excited? Say bye! She is, holy cow. Are you saying bye to everybody? Good girl, Penny. We're leaving the shelter. So it's 7:30. 7:30 on December 29th. Penny is leaving the shelter after more than 4 years. She's going home.
She's so pretty though. Look at her.
Penny, is that your new ride? Penny, Joe might like you to ride it. Okay, bye, Penny. Bye, Penny. Bye, Penny. So we are in, what's the name of this park again?
Beeman Park.
Beeman Park with our friend H. Going for a short hike. Come here, babies.
Is this the way to the entrance?
Yeah, it is. It's right down that way.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Did you get lost?
Oh no.
Oh no?
It's just we've been here for like an hour or two.
Okay.
And
Oh.
it took a long time, so I just want to know.
Oh, did you go a long ways?
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
You're real close.
You're very close because we just started.
Yeah.
Hi.
You're welcome.
Come here.
Oh, no, it's fine. Sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
Thank you.
Sure. Nope. He's not going to hit you with it. You're fine. Come on. Thank you. Have a good day. They're pretty happy. This is beautiful. Very good. Let's go. Where's the car? Find it. Morning, everybody. Happy New Year. Excuse me. You would like another one? Hey, we're at a rest area about 40 miles east of Little Rock, Arkansas. And the reason we are at a rest area 40 miles east of Little Rock, Arkansas is because we transported a dog from the Haven Animal Shelter in Lubbock to her new home, just outside of Nashville, Tennessee. So it was a fun trip, a little bit stressful. Interesting, Jaffe is dog reactive, and the whole trip there was not a peep. There was no reaction whatsoever. I had Penny, the dog who was being transported, in the passenger seat with me. I had the barrier up in the car behind the front seats. But yeah, Jaffe didn't react the whole way, and it was great. So very proud of my boy, proud of my girl too. Yeah, you did good too. But it's been a fun trip. I got to meet a friend who I met online many years ago on Facebook. I got to meet her in person, so that was fun. Spent the night with her after transporting the dog, delivering the dog. But yeah, so we were gonna try to do some hiking on the way back in Tennessee and Arkansas. We did do one short hike in Tennessee, and I videoed a little bit of that. And but now it's storming all around us. I looked at the radar, and it's all just slightly north of my travel route, but there's some pretty severe thunderstorms, so I'm not sure we're going to be able to do any hiking today as we travel across Arkansas or not, but I'm definitely going to try. Anyway, you guys, I can't tell you enough how proud of my dogs I am. This has been a really challenging trip with Penny. taking them on separate potty breaks and just keeping them separated the whole trip. And they all did well. I mean, even Penny did well, who didn't have any idea what was going on and was super stressed out. But she's home now. Penny is home, and she's been at the shelter for over 4 years, and she's home. So we're very happy about that. Just kind of send out some good vibes that it works, that it's a permanent thing. Because adopting a shelter dog is always very challenging the first few days. These dogs have never been in a home, so it's really challenging. And it's hard on the people who adopt them. So they have to be prepared and patient, very patient. So send some good vibes to Penny and her new mom. But yeah, the trip overall was really good, and we're it's about 5:30 in the morning on January 1st, and we are heading off. So we're just now leaving the rest area. The dogs have pottied and had their breakfast and are ready for their treats. Second treats, mind you. Second breakfast treats, right? Okay, back please. Back please. That's very good. Anyway, so I'm gonna get on the road, but I just wanted to wish you all a Happy New Year, and please be safe, be careful, and stay healthy. Be good to each other, be kind, be compassionate, be happy. We're in Hope, Arkansas. Taking a break to stretch our legs. Found a park. It's about a mile long little path here around these lakes. Talked to a gentleman who said they stock them with trout. Lots of little individual docks here for people to fish. Pretty nice. Leave it. Heel. No geese. No geese. Leave it. Leave it. It's geese. Geese. It's geese. Hazel, sit. Good. These geese, stay. Is geese. Very brave geese. Very good babies. Heel. Heel. Leave it. That's good. Leave it. He's laughing at you, Boo. Heel. Just watch. Just leave it. Leave it. Stay. Just watch. Leave it. Leave it.
on, straight. Good. Right. Right. Good. Come on trail. The babies. Good job. Baby's off. You're welcome. Thanks for the shout out. Have a good day. Thank you. Baby, switch. Switch.